Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on Review into Huck's World. And yes, this is a nice watch face for you all to check out in the Good Manager store. And it's going to be free for the taking. But remember, download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. Now, the name of the watch face is called NED 90. I like this look. I like the design. Right now, the watch face is on. It looks nice in the AOD mode. You're pretty much going to get the same look, same design, the same info. But once it's on, the very thing that stands out to me is the index. I like the detailing of it. I love the color. And I like the fact that you get a second hand, then you get a floating second hand. So if the second hand goes around, it gives you a little detailing in your index, which looks awesome. Now, if you look at the top, you're going to get your step status info like heart rate, your battery info, miles walked or ran, calories, and your step info as well. I do like to look at the analog hands. You do get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. And then you're going to get your date, like your month, the date, and also the day of the week. So all in all, for a dress down casual watch face, whether it be for the work week and or for the weekend, this is going to look nice on your wrist. Now remember, it's free for now, so hurry up and download. Now if I tap anywhere at the top, I can pull out my step status info, calories burned, steps, floors climb, heart rate, stress information, things of that nature. And if I tap right over here, I can customize the background theme of the watch face, and I thought that was awesome. So you get a few different backgrounds and all, but considering that it is free, this one is worth the download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And don't forget, the Monday grind is right around the corner, so make sure you get your rest on, get ready, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.